months and 1,800 more miles later, she's back.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Liz.
I'm Richard.
And this is Lap of the World. And as Richard said, she's back.
Indeed she is. It's been, as I said, 9 months, a few setbacks, but she's back. We have the venerable NSX back in the garage, now 317,000 miles on the odometer.
And looking to put some more.
Looking to put a few more. For those of you who are curious, don't worry. We will be telling the whole story.
But not right now.
In forthcoming videos, as well as getting into details of how exactly she went back together.
Yeah.
We'll leave it at not quite stock for right now.
Not quite stock, not quite what we expected, but
mission accomplished.
Yeah. So I think the main thing we wanted to do with this video is celebrate
yes.
and thank everyone, all of you, really, for your support and patience and encouragement through the whole process.
Yeah, you guys have been awesome. I can't really count on the number of Instagram DMs or Facebook messages or comments on other videos on the channel being like, hey, what's going on with the NSX? Where is it? Hope you guys are doing all right. Like, yeah, we're doing fine. We've had a little bit of extracurricular stuff going on that's kind of kept us from being quite as regular with our uploads. However, normal service should be resuming here soon. We have got some good stuff queued up for you, I think, including, of course, the rest of this story and the details behind our, I'll call it air quotes, build. I mean, it was literally an engine rebuild, but
listen, stop telling details or they won't come back.
Know. Yeah, you guys are. Yeah, right. No, this is an NSX fan. You guys are stuck with us.
But we are tomorrow night, or I mean tonight.
Yeah, we'll be sharing
tonight.
We'll be sharing some details, a little bit more, and we're going to be doing some work in the car later on tonight, as of when this video is published, anyway.
On Twitch.
On Twitch, so twitch.tv/lapoftheworld, and we'll also see some of you tomorrow up in the mountains for NSX-Expedition 2023.
For anybody who doesn't know, we take a bunch of NSXs and sometimes a few others up and down the Dragon, and we go have lunch and we all have dinner together, and usually we go to Harper Crescent Coffee, but
yeah, they moved it on
this year. It got weird.
I'm going to have to talk to my boy over there. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
So they got, it was actually not their fault. I guess the mall had to move. Anyway, yeah, point being, yeah, it's good roads, good food, good fun.
And good people, good cars.
So
if you're going to say good the whole thing, you have to say.
Yeah, if you missed it this year, look forward on the calendar for next year. We are in a constant state of getting better about sharing that earlier and earlier as far as the dates. But
yeah.
We will be driving this car all over the mountains of Tennessee tomorrow, as if it, as the shakedown continues, or whatever you want to call it, our break-in period, our new stuff. But
we will get to filming the new stuff, and you guys should join us tonight on Twitch. And
yeah, that's maybe what we wanted to do today, is just announce this. It's going to be a short video, not a whole lot of detailed information. I know, and I'm sorry. We're going to get there. Don't worry.
We are very trying to bite our tongue right now.
If you don't want to, if you are happy that the NSX is back, give the video a like. If you have questions that you want to know about the build or the process or the experience or what all happened, leave those in the comments.
Yeah, and then we will cover them in the big video.
And then if you don't want to miss those new videos where we actually do talk about everything that went on, click subscribe with a bell notification. That way you'll get notified when those videos go live. But with that amount of YouTubering taken care of.
And Twitchering.
And sure. E-mechanicking.
Yeah.
What do you call that anyway? Yeah, so sure. Before we get off on our usual rambles here, we're going to call it there.
Yep. And
we are very happy to have the car back.
Yes. It's fantastic to have it back, and
we look forward to celebrating with you guys either in person at NSX-Expedition, online tonight on Twitch, or at some event in the future, NS Expo this year perhaps.
Or online. You never know. But thank you again for showing up, and we appreciate you guys once again, all your encouragement and patience, and we look forward to seeing you guys more often.
Yep. I'm Richard.
I'm Liz.
This is Lap the World, and we will see you in the next video.
If not at the track.